Hello, cymryd a hashiv and Jew. Ha cnatan mor orum. Ha cnatan mor orum. Literally, that means is the flu big on me? And as you know, when it translates into English, it means I have a bad flu. And it's true. I'm reaching for my tissues every 2 minutes. Ha an cnatan more, big flu on me. Something we've said in Gaelic before, a few lessons back, is that with some things, they come onto you. You don't have them. In English, you have the flu. But the literal translation in Gaelic, listen again, ha an cnatan mor orum, is flew big on me. That's what we say. The big flu is upon me. And in English, I have a bad flu. Some people say that I have man flu because I'm wandering around telling everyone that will listen, oh, I'm sick. I have a terrible flu. Ha an cnatan mor orum. A big flu is on me. And it's a pity because today I want to tell you about a book. We're going to do a little book review, Gràmar na Gàidhlig by Michel Byrne. And this book is published by Storlin. You can see on the back there. I got it from the Gaelic bookshop in Glasgow, the one that's run by the Gaelic Books Council. And I want to tell you that it's a great little book. This is a condensed version. I'm sure I've seen a larger version as well. And importantly, it has pictures of cats, which is a good selling point for any book, of course. And yeah, it's a very nice introduction to Gaelic grammar. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't like grammar books. Those of you who know me will know that for me, I just think grammar books are a waste of time. It's much better if you want to talk a language to talk it and not study it, because studying is dull, dry, and boring. But some people need to study grammar, especially if they're at university, as I am. You need to get your head down looking at Gaelic because you have to know how it all works. So it depends on you what you like and what you don't like. But this book, I mean, it has many things in it. Chapter 1, nouns and articles. Chapter 2, adjectives and adverbs. Chapter 3, pronouns, prepositions. Chapter 4, chapter 5, the verb to be. I would have thought they would have started with that. And it has a nice glossary of words. Again, lovely pictures to demonstrate their points. But don't be fooled, it's not a children's book or anything like that. In fact, it's, in part at least, is very chunky, as you can see there. So if you are looking for a grammar book, a good referenced book for Scottish Gaelic, this would be a good choice, It's a book that I use as a reference book. It is not really one you could go in and out of a lot. I think it'd be a bit dull. And I think as well, you couldn't read it start to finish. But if you need a Gaelic reference, if you need to check some grammar, this book is really handy to have on your bedside table. A little bit dull. I mean, all Gaelic books are, but sorry, all grammar books are. Gaelic books are certainly not dull. In fact, they can be very exciting if you try to translate them. But grammar books can be a bit dull. I mean, this guy, Michel Byrne, writing all of this, I'm not sure I'd like to have coffee with him. But I'm not sure he'd be the most interesting man in the world after writing this, but he might be. Who knows? It says here in this book, Michel Byrne brings to us an English version of another book. Yeah, he has a big version of this book. The text is an English narrative but retains Gaelic examples. And it says here his name is Michel Byrne. Michel or Michel, maybe? I'm not sure how to say that. It says here it will be particularly useful for teachers and secondary school pupils and will be a valuable source of reference for learners of the language. Well, there we are, Gaelic, Grammar and Gaelic. It is a really handy book to dip into. Obviously, it came from before the time of AI, but you can't rely on AI anyway, especially not with Gaelic. I mean, it really is a complete bomb scare with Gaelic. So, a good book like this is what you're after. Gaelic Books Council in Glasgow sells it, and his bigger version as well. So, have a look. And that's it from me. Chiri Andrazda.